Hi, this is Mamta Sahota. I am your realtor and I am an investor as well who always brings you great investment opportunities. When I talk about great investment opportunity, I pick great locations where I am so confident investing and you're gonna invest with me. Right now, I'm here in the heart of downtown Toronto, Dundas Square. Feel the vibe of this area. I'm just in front of the Eaton Centre. Subway station is right here. You're next to major hospitals. Ryerson University is just few minutes away from here. Location is amazing. You can access thousands, hundreds and thousands of jobs from here of the financial district. Prime Condominium is coming here, launching here this week. We have already started booking for our clients. It's first come first serve basis. Price is starting from 400s. Absolutely 400. Let's just book it right away. Call me right now at 647-532-3000.